Okay. Raffle to, I think, close the break. I'm not sure. I had somebody that got a couple teams that it's not 100%, so I may have to do one more, and we'll figure that out in a second. I don't think I'm going to be able to break till closer to 8 because I got to run to UPS real quick, too. That'll just take 5 minutes. But let's get this raffle done, and then I'll figure out the rest in a second. So, let me grab the 10 names. Setting up another giveaway here. Oops. Sorry. Clicked the wrong one. I hit some wrong button, Dave. There we go. $11. 11 clicks. And there's the list. All right. Shimmy has spots number 1, 6, 1 and 6. Steve is on spot 2. Ken is spot on 3. Ricky is on spot 4. David is on spot 5. Dennis is on spot 7. Cisco's on 8. Andrew's 9. And Tig's 10. Everybody went one spot on this one. The last one, we had 3 one-spotters come in first, second, and third. So we'll run it again here. Again, 8 clicks. Good luck. There is 3 winners on this one. This one's a little top-heavy. But there is 2 other teams in second and third. And I'm hesitating a little bit there. And the final click. So the first pick is Cisco Guzman. Congratulations, Cisco. Ricky, you got the second pick, and Dennis, you get whatever's left. Sorry, Tig. Sorry, Dave. Sorry, Dave times 2. Sorry, Steve. Sorry, Ken. And sorry, Andrew. Let me upload this, and then we'll work on getting this break completely finalized here.